Have you ever cooked on a clay stove in stroking smoke and ice burning? Hey there, my dear friends. I'm Frieda. Welcome to East Meets West, my memoir, where I share my story between China and Germany. In my last episode, 27, I shared how a leech stuck in my blood while working barefoot in the rice paddies. Today, I continue the communist re-education program in the countryside, where we learned to cook and to endure. One evening, I struck ignition and knelt on the floor, stuffing dry hay into the fire chamber of the stove. The black, thick smoke curled up, stinging into my throat and blinding my eyes. Frieda, poke the fire quickly. Need more air in. Alpha breathed widely with an old leaf fan, coughing. I can't see anything, I struggled. My eyes is burning. Behind us, an elder farmer, Granny Liu. You city girls can't manage the fire. You cannot control your life. We said nothing. We blinked away the tears and kept through the smoke. Outside, the boys chopped the wood, snapped dry stalks. Jialing stumbled in, dragging a bundle of cotton stems. I brought more fuel, he said proudly. But he tripped. The dry stems scattered across the floor. Pick them up, Granny Liu instructed. I knelt to the floor to help. The splinters pierced my fingers. Dirt, blood smeared my hands. At last, the fire caught. We put the pot on the stove. But rice porridge burned. Oh no, it's black, Afang cried. Granny Liu said loud, not a single grain should be wasted. We had no choice. We ate it anyway, bitter flavored. Next day, try it again, Granny Liu said. This time, she taught us how to break the sticks, how to stack fuel, poke the fire, and fan the flames. Then she handed over fresh pak choy and mushrooms to us. Mushroom stems. She said mushroom should go to the market. They are too precious for us. We worked in silence. Afa tended fire. Meilan washed the rice and the pak choy. I chopped the greens, cooked the rice, stirred vegetables in the wok. This time, the fire kept steady. The smoke rose softly. When we lifted the lid, a warm, gentle aroma filled the room. Granny Liu smiled for the first time. We sat on the bench, dirty, hungry, and eager to enjoy the meal. It was simple, but very delicious to us. It's not just the food, I whispered to my team. It's us. We did it together. I'm very proud of you. That day, we learned something far more important than cooking. The power of teamwork, support, synergy, and true cooperation. If you enjoy this story, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In my next episode, I will bring you to my out of the world, where I began at the age of 4. Thank you so much for watching. See you next episode.